Hello, welcome. Today I have another ink review video for you. This is a sample of Wizard's Pencil by Endless Alchemy, and this is a really fun name, I think, for a gray ink. So let's take a look at this and see how it looks. So this is a really dark color, and it looks like it might actually have some green. That'll be cool. Let's see once it's dry how it looks. Okay, I'm going to put a bit of extra there. Just got to clean this off real quick and then we'll write the name on there. And Endless Alchemy has a lot of really fun inks. And one of the funnest things about them is their bottles. Have to write in the name first. Apparently I can't write and talk at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and put this under the fan to dry and I'll be right back. Alright, we're going to test this out on some copy paper first. Just in case, you never know, you might not have some fancy paper to write on. And I'm going to get that drop of ink so it doesn't bleed onto the paper. Alright, so anyway, I like their inks because they come in these really cute bottles. And I'll leave a link down below where you can find this ink so you can see for yourself. The bottles are really unique and they come with a little cork stand and everything. They're great. This is copy paper. But yeah, sometimes all you have handy is some copy paper. Maybe you're at work or school or something and you know, you just want to know if this is going to perform well. So that's how it looks on copy paper so far. It looks really good, actually. No feathering or anything, which kind of makes sense if this is supposed to be a pencil. You know, there wouldn't be feathering. So, all right. Here's HP 32 paper, and HP 32 is really nice because it is relatively inexpensive and it resists the ink really well, so you get to see some special effects sometimes with the ink. Alright, Wizard's Pencil, and this is HP 32. But yeah, it's a really good in-between paper sometimes if you don't want to use your fancy papers. And if there are any other ink colors that you'd like to see me review, just leave a link down below, or not a link, I'm sorry, leave a comment down below, and if I have the ink or if I can get it, then we'll do a review video. So that's how that looks so far. And this is Tomoe River paper. And typically I get the best results from Tomoe River out of the 3 papers. So I always do a swatch on this as well. And Tomoe River. All right. Now I'm not sure what properties this ink has, since it's supposed to be a pencil, like just from the name. I mean, you know, I'm sure that's not, they're not actually trying to emulate lead or anything, but anyway. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the swatch and see if it's dry, and I'll be right back. Alright, so here's how this looks on the copy paper. It definitely has kind of the appearance of graphite a little bit, as far as it being like a flat color and kind of a grayish color. It has a little bit of something like green or something maybe in here, but there's not a whole lot of shading, although there is some, just barely. But I like this because, you know, given the name, it's supposed to look something like a pencil, so I appreciate that they're trying to get close to that. Here it is on the HP 32, and you can see here there is still a little bit of shading, and the color is a little bit richer on the HP 32, and here are the lines I made. So I think this is getting close to a believable pencil. And then here it is on the Tomoe River, and again it's like this really bizarre like grayish color, maybe slightly green, but then over here you can see where the colors break out. There's something else, maybe like a purpley or a something else. And wherever the ink is darker, you kind of see that color a little bit. I hope that's making sense. And then on the swatch, so this is how the swatch looks. You've got this lighter, I guess it's none of this ink is light, but where it's the lightest, there is like a grayish muted green type of color here. And then as it goes down and gets darker, it immediately goes to this almost a black color here. And then you do have the sheen here, very, very subtle sheen. It's almost purpley, so it's like it's canceling out the green in the ink, and then you're getting that true graphite color. So this is a really fun one. I really like this ink. This is absolutely beautiful. So if you enjoyed this video at all, or if this was helpful to you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to see more. And thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.